Good day, sir. My name is Ira Clark de Vega. This is my title, Analyze the Spatial Correlation Between Earthquake Depth and Magnitude. This study, I'm to analyze the spatial correlation between earthquake depth and magnitude, exploring how these two critical aspects of seismic activity are related across different locations by investigating the relationship between the depth at which earthquake occurred, the resulting magnitude. The research seeks to contribute to a deeper understanding of earthquake process and improve earthquake hazard assessment. The finding could inform the development of more effective risk mitigation strategies, elevated enhancing our ability to prepare for responding to seismic event. This is a plotting simulated seismic graph depth magnitude. It generates a dynamic graph that shows how seismic amplitude changes over time based on simulated earthquake depth and magnitude. Their use can watch the graph build in real time over 100 iterations with process bar and status indicator after the simulation. It It's calculate the display the correlation between depth and magnitude to explore any spatial relationship. A data table available for users who want to examine raw simultaneous result. And, and this is a correlation between depth magnitude na sa 0.757, and this is the view seismic data table. Time, amplitude, depth, and magnitude. The amplitude is nasa 1.5985. Ang depth is 22.5316. Ang magnitude is nasa 3.5784. And this is mapping. Is This dashboard visualize earthquake event the Philippines using a map and deep magnitude scatter plot. Use the filter to explore earthquake by provinces and magnitude. Raw, raw earthquake date and time sa December 31, 2022 at 11:45 p.m. Latitude 4.95, longitude 125.17, deep kilometer nasa 280, magnitude 3.9, location at Balot Island, Municipal of Sarangani, Davao Occidental. Date in December 31, 2022. Time 11:45 p.m. Category week. Area Balot Island, Province of Sarangani. And this is a map. This is a map, and this is a magnitude and depth for every provinces, all provinces. In Davao de Oro, magnitude 2.4 at deep 14 km. In Municipality of Sarangani, magnitude 3.5, deep is 246 km. And this is a deep of magnitude correlation in every provinces: Abra, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Aklan, Albay, Albor, Anaw, Ayon, Antique, Apare, Apayao, Aurora, Basilan, Bataan, Batanes, Batangas, Batangas City, Benguet, Bilaran, Bohol, Bukidnon, Bulacan. And this is a select a province for Agusan del Norte. And this is the magnitude and depth for Agusan del Norte. Color present deep, size represent magnitude, showing 52 event. 52 events. This is a deep of magnitude of Agusan del Norte. And the summary statics, deep statics kilometer, average of 17.60, mean 1.00, max 108.00, and this is the magnitude statics, average 2.40, mean 1.50, max is 4.50. And this page of data frame and graph. This template code creates a integrative with application for earthquake deep magnitude correlation analysis. It is designed with a dark theme interface and display earthquake data visualization such as scatter plots, box plots, and static summaries. The app accepts an earthquake dataset contain latitude, longitude, depth, and magnitude of earthquake, and allows user to upload the file is not found is the difficult part. The sidebar provides control for viewing raw data, selecting, color encoding, and enabling, enabling trend lines of confidence intervals. Finally, the app allows users to explore the relationship between depth and magnitude through the real-time interactive graph and metric. This is a total earthquake in the dataset. In December 31, 2022 at 11:45 p.m., the latitude is 4.95, longitude is 125.17, the deep is 280 km, magnitude is 3.9, located at Balot Island, Municipal Sarangani, Davao Occidental. This is a basic statics, 33.8 km, mean deep 0.0, mean magnitude 2.5, and max magnitude to 70 km, and the red shallow 0.30 km, and very deep na 300 to 700 km. And this is the magnitude statics, mean, medium, count, steady. And this is a distribution of deep distribution count of records for deep magnitude distribution count of records for magnitude. And this is the side of my title for analyze the spatial correlation between earthquake deep and magnitude. It is designed with a dark dim interface and display earthquake data visualization such as scatter plot, box plots, and statistical summaries. The app accepts the earthquake dataset containing latitude, longitude, depth, and magnitude of earthquake, and allows user to upload the file if not found in the difficult path. The sidebar provides control for viewing raw data, selecting color encoding, and enabling trend lines or confidence intervals. The app allows using to explore the relationship between dip and magnitude through the real-time interactive graph and metrics. And this is the raw data, filtered data, and this is the earthquake dip versus magnitude, and this is a dip, magnitude, latitude, longitude on every provinces. And this is the correlation analysis, person correlation coefficient 0.100, and this is earthquake map, earthquake location. This is magnitude, longitude, latitude, longitude, and depth in every provinces. And this is the deep kilometer. Histogram magnitude distribution. This is the count of magnitude, and this is a deep summary statics count. Deep kilometer 6,350, magnitude 6,350, mean 333.8131, 2.5368, and steady 42.6284 and 0.689. Ang mean 0 as a deep, the magnitude is 1, and 25% is deep 10, magnitude is 2, 50% is 22, and magnitude is 2.4, 75% 33 deep, and sa magnitude 2.9, max is 621, and sa magnitude 6.6. And that's all. Thank you, sir. This is my study for analyze the spatial correlation between earthquake dip and magnitude.